I'm here to tell you about some physics experiments. First of all, I will tell you about the section divided in physics lab. There are two sections for the experiment, section A and section B. Now, as the term your reduced syllabus, there are 8 experiments. We have to convert them. Section A consists 4 experiments and section B consists 4 experiments. Total 8 experiments are there, and we have to choose from 8 experiments of section A, and we will do 4 experiments. From section B, we will also perform 4 experiments. Total 8 experiments we have to do. Then which of the instruments which are used in your practicals? I will tell you the section consists the practicals of volume 1 like electrostatic and magnetostatic. First of all, you have the knowledge about the instruments which are used, like components, what is basic principle and what the instrument does. First of all, we will tell you about the basic instruments like Ohm's law apparatus. That is your first instrument, which is Ohm's law apparatus, which is used in first experiment. Okay. First of all, I will tell you about some instruments only. Ohm's law apparatus is there. Then this is voltmeter. Voltmeter is an instrument is used to measure the voltage, and it is a scale on which it is calibrated. There are two connections. It is for positive, it is for negative. It is DC voltmeter. If I talk about ammeter, it is a scale and it is used to measure the current flowing across it. It is a plus terminal, it is a minus terminal, and A indicates the current is in amperes. If some instruments, it is MA means milliampere, otherwise microampere. If I talk about this instrument, you can see it is like a galvanometer, it is like a voltmeter and ammeter, but it is galvanometer. It doesn't tell how much current is flowing, it only tells current is flowing and also tells the direction, presence of current and direction of current. Okay, there is a single way key. In the homes and domestic appliances, there is a switch, but in these instruments, this is a key. One wire is connected here, other wire is connected here, and we close it, then circuit is complete, current can flow. If we open it, circuit is break. That is one way key. If it is a two way key, there are two terminals, current can flow from this to this when this is connected, and can continue if this is also switched off. So we can put it here, put in the circuit when two terminals are needed. Basic, that is called connecting wires. You will see there is a white color, insulating purpose is of silk or it is of cotton for insulating purpose, and inside it there is a copper wire. Okay, this is a connecting wire of various length. Okay. This is a leads. These are electric leads you have seen in your speakers, like for auxiliary purpose, but it is used for in some instruments to connect the terminals like that. You can choose any one: positive, red color, black, negative thing. This is a basic and more basic and widely used instrument. It is called battery, and it's also called battery alminator. Its range is 3 ampere. You can vary the voltage. We can take the voltage from it like supply. We need DC supply like a charger of the mobile. And this is another battery alminator, but its presentation is different because there are the options not in a probe switch. We take the voltage by the help of leads from these terminals. Okay, these are the basic supply for the instruments. Then another introduction of the meter bridge. This is instrument which you have studied like Wheatstone bridge in electrostatic current electricity chapters. Then you have seen about the meter bridge, that is meter bridge. We will see the principle and working when experiment will be performed. And this is a potentiometer. Potentiometer you have studied, which works on the potential gradient. This is a potentiometer. And you have studied about the dry cells. This is a dry cell. They works on the principle of electrolysis. Positive, negative, and some electrolysis will be there. I'm just giving the introduction, not I'm performing the experiments. And I will tell about the connecting wire. If I talk about the conductor and any metal wire, this is the wire. We have the different type of wires like that. If I talk about resistance, this is resistance. Now it is in the form of zigzag. It is an actual wire. And some other instrument, this is a jockey. It can slide on the wires to make a connect or close the circuit. Okay, this was a brief of the instruments of the section A. I think you will be comfortable with the instruments. When practical will be performed, you will not feel uncomfortable. Okay, then we will move to the another section and we will meet on the experiment number 1.